Hey, what's up guys, it's Faisal here. Welcome back to my channel Muhammad Faisal Mia, where I bring you the latest updates and tips on road safety awareness. Let's work together and make our roads safer. Today I'll be concentrating on two things. Number one, what is the speed limit? And number two, how to recognize the speed limit on any road in Great Britain. Hey, if you're visiting my channel for the first time and you're watching my video for the very first time, please consider subscribing my channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon and turn the notification on so you can get regular updates on road safety awareness just like this one. And so now, number one, we're going to talk about what is the speed limit. The speed limit on Great Britain roads, highway code tells us that in built-up area the maximum speed limit for a car is 30 miles per hour. And the national speed limit for a car and a motorbike is 60 miles per hour on a single carriageway and 70 miles per hour on a dual carriageway and 70 miles per hour on a motorway. So these are the speed limit for these types of roads for a car and a motorbike. So we're just concentrating on cars and motorbike today. Just remember that there are different speed limit for different vehicles. So if you drive other vehicles and you want to know the speed limit, just comment down below and I'll tell you the speed limit. And just before I go into the number two, if you are looking for a driving instructor, reliable driving instructor, or a driving school in North London, you can contact Motorway Driving School, and I've put the link in the description down below where you can contact Motorway Driving School. Please do remember, these speed limit 30 and the national speed limit are absolute maximum. Any speed limit is absolute maximum. You must not exceed the speed limit. If you do, you know the consequences. You're risking points and fines on your driving license. So please stay within the speed limit. If there are other speed limit you find on a road, then you will certainly see a speed limit signs which will override these national speed limit. So we will talk more about speed limit signs, where to look for them, where do you find them, where are they located, a majority of the time, and we will specifically talk about speed limit signs on the next episode. So now let's move into number two. Okay guys, let's look at number two, how to recognize the speed limit. I get drivers coming onto the workshop saying that they couldn't work out the speed limit. They thought it was different from what it was. Looking at the length of the road, width of the road, number of lanes, and so many things they look for, and they just simply complicate themselves. I just want you to remember two things, please. To work out speed limit on any road in Great Britain, we only need two things. Number one, we just need to see if a road has got a street light. Now this is a very typical rule that we have since 1935. Transport Minister back then decided we've only got one speed limit, and instead of repeating the signs, let's just make it a blanket speed. So whenever we see street light, the maximum speed limit is 30 miles per hour unless there are speed limit signs overriding it. So if it was different, if it was 20, 40, 50 or national speed limit, then the signs will repeat itself. Okay, so ask yourself, can I see street light? If you can see street light, then the speed limit is 30 miles per hour for you on any road except one, and that is the motorway. Motorway was not built back in the 30s, it came in the mid 60s and 70s, so therefore the street light rule does not apply on the motorway, so please remember that. And if you see any speed limit signs, then of course you follow the speed limit signs, because that will then override the street light rule. Now if you do come across on a road where there is no street lights and no speed limit signs, then on these roads the national speed limit applies. National speed limit is different for different type of road, and it's different for different type of vehicles. So remember, national speed limit signs, it's not same on all roads and for all vehicles. You need to understand what you're driving and what road you're driving on. Another thing that you can remember, so no street lights and no speed limit signs means national speed limit applies. So you can remember it that way as well. Okay, and we will talk more about the different types of carriageways, single and dual, and we're going to concentrate more on speed limit signs, where to find them, where to look out for them, and how often they repeat, and so on. So we will concentrate more on speed limit signs on the next episode. Okay, so keep it simple, just look for street lights and signs instead of anything else. People are usually going for schools and built up areas and non-built up areas. It really doesn't matter. If you can see street light, then it's 30 miles per hour. Remember that rule. That rule can save your driving license from getting lots of points and eventually losing it. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and if you did, please give me that thumbs up, because it just encourages me to keep on making more videos for everyone. And if you did like it, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing so you can get more regular videos and tips on road safety awareness. And until we meet again, stay safe and use the road safely. Thank you. Bye for now.